Welcome to today's exploration of one of the most captivating timepieces in the world of luxury watches, the Pasha de Cartier skeleton watch. A watch that isn't just a tool for telling time, but a masterpiece that combines art, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. This stunning piece from Cartier, the Pasha de Cartier skeleton, is a perfect blend of classic design and modern innovation. What makes this watch so special is its intricate skeletonized dial, where you can actually see the inner workings of the movement in full view. It's like watching the heart of the watch come to life. Let's take a closer look at what makes this timepiece stand out. First, the watch features the renowned caliber 9611 MC, an automatic movement developed and crafted by Cartier. It provides a smooth, reliable performance, and thanks to the skeleton design, you can watch the gears and components working in harmony. A true display of engineering at its finest, the Pasha de Cartier skeleton doesn't just focus on functionality, though it also brings a unique visual experience. The case is made of 18K white gold, which gives it a refined, luxurious feel. The watch's size, -41 millimeters, is ideal for those who appreciate a bold, but not overwhelming, presence on the wrist. Whether you're wearing it for a formal event or just for daily use, this watch is designed to turn heads, and of course, Cartier's signature design elements are all there. The iconic round case shape is paired with an elegant black dial that beautifully showcases the skeleton movement. The watch also features the classic Arabic numerals, adding to the distinctive, timeless aesthetic that has made Cartier watch so highly regarded across the globe. One feature that truly stands out is the unique crown. It is set with a blue sapphire cabochon, which is another nod to Cartier's rich heritage of exquisite detailing. This small but powerful detail adds a touch of color and luxury that perfectly complements the overall design. But the Pasha de Cartier skeleton isn't just about looks. It's built to last. The watch is water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it practical for everyday wear without compromising its sophisticated style. And with a power reserve of 48 hours, it's more than capable of keeping up with your busy life. With its combination of bold design, intricate craftsmanship, and reliable performance, the Pasha de Cartier skeleton watch is a watch that stands out in a world full of ordinary timepieces. It's a statement, a piece of art, and a functional tool, all in one. So if you're looking for a timepiece that blends tradition with innovation, elegance with performance, look no further. The Pasha de Cartier skeleton is more than just a watch. It's a legacy, a part of Cartier's commitment to craftsmanship and excellence that will continue to impress for generations to come. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exquisite masterpiece. Visit the Cartier website today and discover how the Pasha de Cartier skeleton can become a part of your story. Thank you for watching.